Rusty, go. Go, Rusty, go. 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 Where's the bunnies? Where are the bunnies?
Wait, I have to find him first. Okay. Okay. Can you see his face?
Hi, Logan. You have a big fuzzball in front of your eye. There you go. There you go. What do you think of the snow? Oh, is it cold? Is it cold? It's your first snow, Logan. Rusty.
Rusty's having so much fun. He's like, the baby's out, the baby's out. Yes, the baby's out. Everybody's here, buddy.
Okay.
Hi, Logan. Look at him, he's going. Oh, got him right in the eye. He's like, Mom, I can't feel my legs.
Can you? I think they're in there somewhere.
I know. This is Logan at 1.5. Well, 1 month and a half-ish.
With snowflakes
With
falling
no
on his
arms.
nose. With snowflakes falling on his nose.
No feet. No hands.
Do you have a close up on his face? Because he is not liking the snow in his
No.
face.
Okay, Logan, we're just going to get a quick pic and we'll be done. All right. Thanks.